Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on and off the sleep mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do this, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, if you scroll down, you should find modes and routines and you want to go there. And finally over here we have sleep. If you select this option, then you have the button to turn it on. And if you do, then you will start using the sleep mode. You can also create the automatic mode. So if you go to turn on automatically, then you can add the sleep schedule over here, and you can also add condition if needed. In addition to that, we also have the stay focused and other actions, and all of which can be clicked on. So keep that in mind, that you can always click on these. And that's pretty much it. You can also tap on these three dots in the top right corner in order to completely delete the sleep button. And later on, if you decide to add it back, you need to create your own one by going down and selecting add mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.